All right, guys, I'm going to show you a real quick snippet of guts, how to make guts. Take your big yarn, just like that. You don't have to use 3, but I use 3. You can use 4, 5, 1, 2, however many you want. And I just braided them together. Then I take my latex and I lay it out on a piece of mirror. This is a second coat. And once that dries, it doesn't take long for that to dry. I got a lot of stuff going on today. Then you will take and roll it up into this. And that's what's going to make your guts. And you can pinch this together if you need to before you blood it. And make it all bloody. And that's how you do that. This is just called big yarn. I've had this stuff forever. I've made guts before, but this is just a quick snippet. Anyway, enjoy, have fun, keep it creepy.